Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are reviewing the AuraTrend EA for MT5, also known as the AuraTrend V2. Seems like this is a patched version. Okay, so let us dive into the MQL5 marketplace page first. Okay, so this EA is from developer Ventanilla Densi Penalba version 2.14, available for rent at $30 for 1 year. Okay, it positions itself as a smart recovery system combining trend following entries with adaptive recovery logic, basket management, and account protection features for MT5. The description highlights smart trend entries using moving average filters, a dynamic recovery engine with ATR based spacing, basket profit closing, optional hedge protection, spread and session filters, plus a real time on chart dashboard showing balance, equity drawdown, and positions. Okay, it recommends minimum balance starting around $3,000 for standard accounts and suggests settings for conservative, balanced, or aggressive approaches, particularly for XAUUSD and major Forex pairs during London and New York sessions. Now, from a trader's perspective, the combination of trend filters to avoid noise and controlled recovery steps can help manage drawdown, but recovery features mean you need to pay close attention to lot sizing and max steps to align with your risk tolerance. The dashboard is a nice touch, for monitoring without constantly checking charts. Now switching to my backtest results on the strategy tester in a bit, but before then, let's just see if there's any report presented here. Okay, none. All right, so we are switching to my backtest on this expert advisor. All right, so I ran the test on XAUUSD and on the H1 period. All right, and the test was conducted just over the past roughly 3 weeks. Okay, just because of time, it was taking a lot of time to conduct the test over a longer period of time. So I would recommend that within your own convenience, you want to test it over a longer period of time, because 3 weeks is not enough. Okay, and then of course I use the every tick modeling. All right, now on the chart, we can be able to observe perhaps a couple of things based on the information we already saw on the marketplace page. All right, the EA enters on its trend signals. When there is a trend signal, the EA seems to enter a trade, sometimes adding positions during temporary adverse moves as part of the recovery logic. Okay, you can see how baskets are managed toward profit targets and the impact of hedge mode when enabled. Now, trade frequency varies with market conditions, which is typical for trend plus recovery systems. Okay, looking at the performance metrics, the equity curve shows periods of steady growth interspersed with drawdowns typical of recovery mechanics, right? There was also it's a time when the equity dropped significantly lower than the balance, okay, for a time before the backtest was finally concluded. Now, key stats include the total net profit. At this point, the total net profit was just $36.06 from a $10,000 deposit. And then, of course, you pay attention to the drawdown levels. In this case, it was just 0.57% for the maximal balance drawdown. And then the maximal equity drawdown was at 2.42%. Okay, it was pretty contained, right? And then you also have to look out for the number of trades and the profit factor. In this case, 19 trades were executed, out of which 18 were profitable, giving us a 94.74% win rate. The profit factor was 0.37, which shows that the gross loss was substantially higher than the gross profit. Now, these results demonstrate how the system handles both trending and ranging periods. But remember, this is one specific historical run. Okay, longer testing across more market regimes is always recommended because recovery systems can behave differently in strong trends versus prolonged sideways markets. Factors like your broker's execution, spreads during news, and chosen configuration will heavily influence live results. All right, overall, the Aura Trend EA for MT5 offers a feature rich package for traders who are comfortable with basket and recovery concepts, who want automation plus visibility through the dashboard. All right, it may suit those seeking more active position management on gold or forex, provided they use conservative settings and sufficient capital as suggested. All right, so looking at the trade history just a bit further, it seems like the technique that the EA uses, it has a way of being flexible. Some trades are held for just a short duration, just like the ones that we saw here, opened and closed within the same candle. And then you can see this particular trade that was held for several days and finally closed at this point. So the EA seems to be flexible in terms of the duration, like how long it holds a trade. It seems to be pretty flexible with that. Okay. That said, no system is perfect for every condition. All right, no system is perfect, and past performance does not guarantee future results. Okay, recovery logic adds complexity and potential risk amplification if not properly managed. So I strongly encourage thorough demo testing, forward validation, and starting small. All right, trading involves substantial risk. And remember that past backtest performance does not in any way guarantee future outcomes. Okay, so drop your questions or experiences with similar EAs in the comments. Okay, it's going to be exciting to discuss. All right, so if you found any value in this video at all, or if you learned something new, don't forget to like the video and also subscribe to the channel, and also turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content like this. All right, and also share the video with other trader friends who you feel are going to find it valuable. In the meantime, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.